My country people, celebration time. Come see wedding. The one and only wedding. Before and after Corona. In short, the only wedding for 2020 wey don happen for Germany, and it happened. And for Berlin here where we dey. Come see marriage. Come see the bride, come see the groom. 5 people. Also the boss, the groom, and look groom, I just say na King Abdullah became for Kuwait. You know these people, the way they deal with oil, they get money. That's why the boy they inside the white suit with gold all the body. A clean, I mean a clean, a fine, like a yoke. A woman. They say come on inside egg. They never touch them. They never even lick and small. They get fine. Child, I look babe so a hungry wedding again. Hey, because the way they were making. Now two people they just snap. Ooh, they say will you love her and die for her? The groom say, I do. They ask again, will you love him and die for him? He say, I do. Hi! I say, this is love. This is love. Now, so the mayor representative for embassy, they ask question. They just say yes, yes. They don't begin no for their answer. They were in love, they had been in love, they are still in love, and they will die in love. See love boy. Now so people they don't sape. You know, so all this time for long time people they get sape. Nobody know where is sape. It is an opportunity this way can make everybody bring up a sape. Some people they try their own, it don't die. That's what some people they let's say they don't die them. Some man say no, enough you just go through it. This one way not try. After Corona don't come, something don't happen. Now you need it. And man they die on. See baby they sexy babes. You understand? You see, get blue eye, red eye, yellow eye, you know, brown eye. I see all kind eye them, pussy eye. Get the change all kind. It been a modeling event. I see kind sap them, kind babes them. You see men them sap. You see someone allergy, doctor, professor, pastor, father, all kind sap them. The baby there. You see even chief own baby day. All kind people them I see for the wedding. Boy, I said this is wedding. Now so the whole Berlin come out, it followers them. Now so then they glad, then they shout, you know, then they eat the post, then they snappy picture, then they happy. But the saddest thing I say, anyone begin moon shoot, cover him up, anyone begin max for him up. You just sape so you still carry mask, you put and they pour all in where I see the deal. See, but everything, that one was not the only problem. You know. Now so people that did not post, you not post so. And unfortunately, a grand casserole, a baby paparazzi, and the paparazzi, that's why they can't control. You see magistrate, I say stand here, turn, make a snap you. Then they obey. I see doctor, I say turn here, bend, make a snap you, and then they obey. Even the bride and the groom, and they see how they command them. They say any man get power for his own. I tell groom and bride, I say on a bench, so the bench are not check up. And they even tell even minister, I say oga shift so he obey and I keep check up. You understand? Any man get power for his own. Because when doctor tells you move trouser, bam, he remove a choke injection. He choke injection. You cannot, you must obey because you want way. When get there, you say, boy, move your drawers now, let's do something. You go just obey because you must do something. Now you move Kali, understand? So that is it. They say any man get power for his own. That's why I do the command for the command. People they obey. See. Five motor them. I see G wagon, F wagon, W wagon, S wagon. I see all kind of wagon for them. You know, I see you know what again. They say Ferrari Sport or waiting. Something Sport. Range Rover Sport. That means I don't know. I know. Range Rover Sport them all kind color. They. So come for the camp. My brother. If you not be for that marriage, make I just show you small. Wash. You see, that is love. You see the girl was sweet, sweet butter egg, fine baby, looking elegant. Englishman say the couples were elegant, they were fine, beautiful, they were captivating. The whole crowd was crazy, So you see, they did not them check up, paparazzi. I was paparazzing everything, Now why that do something for show now too? You understand? So this wedding, now one and only wedding we don't happen for 2020 for Germany, especially for this Berlin, the first one. But the groom tell me say this one I just support, They really want to come for 17th of October, this 2020. So we go to invite everybody. If you saw the scene, if you invite everybody or do one because of this corona thing now. You see even people that they were mass. You see plenty big boy them from Potsdam, from all sides, low dam, high dam, all they become you see baby boy the man come with him, a wife, people just the post, It been a exhibition, Sape exhibition, you understand? So it was a beautiful party. So it's my turn and say, he go to see invite all now for when Corona don't finish for the 17th. Say go invite all man can chop and celebrate with you. That one they go do church on. Where Father will say, I bless you in the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. You understand? He give you communion, you chop. He said, go in peace and save the Lord. Go ye to the world and multiply. He said, go and multiply. Understand what they mean? You go and do something. But that's it. So it's a matter of he go invite everybody for that one. So if you invite you, they're not vexed because now the situation. They say now they talk that talk. Now condition make the guy back bend. If one get all now on board, they not fit do them. So make man of vex say he not be part for this one. So I did just report the news. They call me Grand Casserole. If you never subscribe for my YouTube channel, oh boy, go right now and you subscribe there for my YouTube channel. Follow me for Instagram, for Twitters, and the same for Facebook. Drop your comment, and if you get any special news you want me to remind Toriam, call me for my contact number. I will Toriam for you. I love Una all. Stay blessed and stay safe. Nice weekend. I got to now. Cafe.